In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Wiko U316AT smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 9 seconds. Now what you're going to see is the screen light up and it's going to say select boot mode. You have to make sure you let go of all of the buttons very quickly as soon as the screen lights up. If you hold on to the buttons too long, the phone just may reboot and you're not going to be able to hard reset it. Okay. Okay, now the next thing you need to do, using the volume up button, select recovery. Now press the down button. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to press and hold down the power button and then tap the volume up button. Okay. Now the next thing you need to do, using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Factory Data Reset. Press the power button. Press the power button. And there you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.